we find 4 meters windows allowing light to flood in. Now that's the third bedroom plus the master bedroom, so we have a total of 4 so far. Let's keep counting. Nice king size bed, elegant drawer dresser. You see the lights coming from every corner in this room. Again, access to balcony, banyo design, marble, door-cracked mixers, huge rain head, super elegant. Now the second floor, full marble floorings. We come to this beautiful, spacious 3,000 square foot of a penthouse. Usually this is the size of a decent 3-bedroom apartment in Dubai. Another beautiful seating area. Again, all sofa arrangements and seating arrangements are sourced from top brands Hermes, Minotti, Paola Lente. If we calculate the cost of the furniture by itself, it's just crazy. It's a fortune. Another Scavolini island with built-in sink, induction cooktop, fridge, extra storage. And this is the guest bedroom. I'm sure this is a really lucky guest because the king-size bed is beautiful here, nice bench, and the couch that is complementing everything else. And then walk-in wardrobe and another customized bathroom. It's worth mentioning that every bathroom here is different than the other. So different colors, different type of marbles, but always top notch. Now here I would like to mention that on this balcony there is a beautiful olive tree. Ages are between 60 to 70 years old, and that's the basement, totally different from the rest of everything we've seen so far. I'm truly in love with this huge art piece. The colors are incredibly vibrant and bold. It's crazy. This serves as a fully fledged art gallery or your own private gym or your own sauna, health club, you name it. This is another seating area, beautiful. This feature is very important. No drama please, because we live in Dubai, we have the best life in here. For the gym, we have all-in-one equipment, treadmill, spinning cycle, football, free weights, all what you need, you can just find it right here. Moreover, look at this beautiful counter of Scavolini. I like this sliding piece, induction top, sink, another fridge, and then here there is also dishwasher. Beautiful. Now we're arriving to the guest lounge. Yes, this is the dessert of the mansion. This is super beautiful. However, it doesn't come with this Lambo. You can park your own one in this parking inside the guest lounge, plus another 4 parking spaces for your ultra luxury cars.